What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to another rebuild series of the Chrysler. In today's video, we are working on the interior and a few things on the outside. As you guys can see, we ended up repainting the door handles. The outcome finish wasn't up to my standards, so we are redoing it. And we are going to be throwing in the carbon fiber pieces. I may or may not have fixed the airbag off camera. We swapped out the SRS module. It seemed like the airbag light went away, but I didn't get to start the car because it is dead. The car been sitting for about, I guess you could say, 2 weeks. So I'm waiting for my jump box to fully charge to start up the car and see if the airbag light went away. But let's go ahead and get started on this carbon fiber pieces. So these are the carbon fiber pieces. If you guys haven't seen it in the last video, it's about a bunch of 3M tape, so I gotta wipe down the interior with some alcohol. Like a million pieces. Some of these pieces I don't even know what they go to, but we're gonna figure it out. Good forged carbon. Wipe this down really good so the carbon fiber can stick to it. I really don't know where none of this carbon fiber is going to be, so I might have to just wipe everything down. Alright, let's find the most obvious piece. This looks like the shifter. Why does it look like that? Is it wrong? Alright, so I'm pretty sure it goes like this. But you see how it's very hard? I think no diddy. I might have to use a heat gun to bend this down. Get this tape removed. Grab this heat gun, warm it up. See, we got the first piece laid down. Doesn't look too bad. He does need a new one of these. You can tell it's really warped. Plus, it's not the leather that matches the rest of this. But we got the first piece of carbon fiber on. Let's go ahead and apply a few more, and I'm gonna pick you guys up after that.
Catching small mistakes, and no one's best could ever be enough. Don't know what it is about us, I just know we're not good enough.
A little update on it. Not too shabby. I kind of wish this was all one piece, but I can understand why they did it in multiple pieces. The cuts are not accurate, but not too shabby. 30 more pieces to go. Half of these pieces I don't even know what they go to. Alright guys, so we just finished up. Let me go ahead and hit you guys with a little video of the carbon fiber. Just like that, we got 80% of the carbon fiber installed. We do have a few other pieces like this, but this won't be installed until he gets this plastic piece. Let's go ahead and see if the airbag light is on. I'm gonna see if I can jump start the car. The battery is pretty dead, so hopefully we can get her to start real fast. Almost. So as you guys can see, the airbag light does go away, but I haven't yet to see the car running with the airbag light off. Man, this car is dead. Real nice. Remember when they first dropped it off to us, it was misfiring. Listen to it now. Sounds pretty good. Now I got the car running. As you guys can see, airbag light is gone. For some reason the check engine light is on. When I go to scan it through the car itself, this is what it tells me. Basically no codes. So let's go ahead and get that erased. And basically the car has no more lights on the dash. Let's go ahead and get the car on run. Erase codes. Ignition off, yes. Successfully erased. Let's go ahead and check. It's still there. May have to reset the battery. As you guys can see, for the engine control module, there are no codes. So I'm not sure on why that check engine light is there. May or may not have to reset the battery. Let's go ahead and disconnect the ground real fast. Off for a few seconds. Right, it's been about 2 minutes. Usually I give it about 10 minutes, but let's just see if I fixed it. Should I switch? Oh, car down. Jump box back on. Volts. Should start up now. Check engine light is still there. So I am actually about to go get my hair cut. I'm gonna just disconnect the ground to the battery, and when I come back I'm gonna reconnect it and start the car, and I will see if the check engine light stay there, because I'm looking through my scanner. There's nothing showing up for the check engine light There's no codes for the airbag light, so I'm not sure why the check engine light is on. But as you guys can see, majority of the codes are gone. Airbag light, traction light, ABS light, all that is gone. Only light left is the check engine, and as I said previously, there are no codes for the check engine light. I'm not sure if I have to leave the car running or what, but I'm just cut it off for now, go get my hair cut, and I will be right back. A quick cold start on the Gen 2. So we are back. I'm getting my hair cut. Look what came in the mail. I never looked at it yet, but alright YouTube, so we are back from getting our hair cut. We did get a package in the mail. I didn't take a look at it yet. This will be my first time. Yo, that joint look crazy. Carbon fiber paddles and all. Sheesh. Battery is already disconnected, so we don't have to do that. Let's get this order bag off. That's one side. Just like that. Airbag off. And clip the prongs. Wheel off. Hey guys, so we got the new buttons put on, the new paddles. We put the harness back on. We also wired up the LED lights. So let's go ahead and get this back on the car. Put the battery cable on real quick, make sure it works. And yes, it does. As you guys can see. Sheesh. Now, I'm not sure if this steering was calibrated to cut off automatically, or will I have to do that, but take temps. System kilometers. Press hold the right key to enter. Alright YouTube, so we got the car out the shop. We are lit in the idle currently. Let me show you guys how the steering wheel and carbon fiber came out. Check it out. Sheesh, great steering wheel, great paddles. Car is very much dusty and dirty. We will be giving it a wash before the owner comes back to pick it up. And check it out, we have no more lights, guys. And I will be adding more coolant fluid and supercharger fluid. As you guys can see, it is very, very low. So I will be adding some. I just wanted the car idle a little bit, let the battery recharge itself. It was sitting for a while. still waiting on 2 more things. We are waiting for the trunk badge and the side decal, and this car is basically ready to go. Well, we will be taking it to get an alignment, and then yeah, owner will be picking her up. Good morning, YouTube. So today is finally the day we are taking the 300 cat or 300 Redeye to go get an alignment. So let's go ahead and get this out the shop. The car is one step closer to being finished. Just made it to Pep Boys. Let me show you guys how it looks from the outside the shop. The IM. Go ahead and check in here real quick. I'm gonna leave the car with them, and I guess whenever they're done, I will pick you guys up. YouTube, so we are back, and guess what came in the mail? It's hard to tell, but Hellcat logo for the side finally came in. Let's go ahead and get this put on. Both sides. We got one side done on the head. Let me know down below if y'all think I should just get rid of this piece or leave it there, but what y'all think? We're also gonna do the little red indent eye right here. Sheesh. Now let's go ahead and do this side. As you can see, we only laid it down. We didn't apply it yet. Alright, YouTube family, I'm gonna end the video right here. The customer did end up picking up the 300, so I didn't get to show you guys the last part of the finish of the car, but she is finished. He will be bringing it back to do minor little things to the car, but there's no reason for me to add that on YouTube. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this rebuild series, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you boys on the next one.